guys, what's up? It's Ben Nguyen here with PhillySocial.com. We're live. It's a Thursday night at Hard Rock Cafe. We have two of the three owners of Broad Street Music Group here with us today, Dave Silver and Josh Freed.
We got new talent, we got new vibes, we got new styles, but it's the same core team, same Philly Social, same Broad Street Music Group. We have a comedian, Chris Smith. He's going to take us through the entire evening with his funny jokes in between each act. We have a group of models that are going to be coming out, and they're going to be taking pictures with the fans and doing their thing on stage. One of our photographers, Mr. Lightsmith, he's going to be giving away some and raffling off some of his original photography and original artwork. A couple trivia games. We also have our BSMG scavenger hunt. We also have some clothing giveaways from Old Souls Clothing.
I'm here with the one and only local music performer, Ashley Jones.
Yeah, I'm like an alternative, I would say blues, almost reggae. I kind of mix a little hip hop into it, so it should be an interesting night. I'm gonna do a little bit more reggae tonight.
I'm with one of the performers tonight at the Hard Rock Cafe, Disturbing Daisy.
Organize our time based off of each other's schedules. We kind of work well together. We kind of stay diligent on a particular time. We have projects coming up. You know, we stay up with each other, keep the communication strong.
I'm here with the Stonewall Vessels tonight. They're one of the performances at the Hard Rock Cafe.
We make like a alternative, psychedelic rock kind of indie sound. We just do whatever we want. We don't pertain to any genre. We don't pertain to any sound. We do whatever the hell we feel like.
We're live with the Hard Rock Cafe right now with King Zim.
Yeah, I'm doing all originals today. You know, some stuff that came straight from the soul. I'm gonna start out a little smooth and then I'm gonna rock it out.
I'm here with one of the performers tonight live at the Hard Rock Cafe. We have Bay and Max.
I'm working on several different projects, a Valentine's Day mixtape, and I'm also working on, like, I guess my baby, something I've been like really focusing on for the past year. It's called Shaking Hands and Kissing Babies. So that'll be out in March. Yeah, just kind of moving around and working with a lot of different artists in the Philadelphia area and community.
You know, it's just it all kind of came together through Broad Street Music Group. They've treated Bay really well. This is my first time taking part in such an event, so really excited to be here.
You can get with this, or you can get with that. You can get with this, or you can get with that. Check it out, yeah. Let me be everything that your man can't be. You say he can stop the yard, I can make it stampede. He say he can make it rain, I bring in the flash flood. Knock it off, top it off with a back rub.